Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Stark and I am a product training coordinator within the training department here at Wellness Living. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about a redesign of FitLIVE. So previously in Wellness Living, if a staff member were to select Setup and then navigate to Integrations, there would be a Zoom option that would be available for them to select, and there would be two plan options being Free and Professional. However, with this new improvement, now the Zoom option is no longer available underneath Integrations and instead has been amalgamated with FitLIVE. So let's navigate to FitLIVE and see the changes that have been made. So to do this, we're going to go to our app drawer, click there, and then we're going to go to View All, click on View All, and then we can navigate down underneath F and find FitLIVE and click on FitLIVE. And as you can see, we are brought to the FitLIVE page or screen, and if I navigate down, we can actually see our pricing made simple section right here. So within this section, we can see that there are three options. We have the basic plan, the advanced plan, and we have the professional plan. So the basic plan is actually Zoom's free plan. The advanced plan is Zoom's professional plan. And the professional plan that we see here is actually Wellness Living's all-in-one FitLIVE plan where there have been no changes made. And in addition to this, just as a note, customers who are interested in the basic plan must already have a free Zoom account created, and customers who are interested in the advanced plan must already have a paid Zoom account created. Furthermore, if the customer selects either basic or advanced, they will be brought to a Zoom authorization screen where they will enter their login credentials. And in addition to this, customers can only upgrade their plans, and only those with admin access will be able to downgrade plans. So as you can see, all of the plans have been conveniently housed within the FitLIVE page and are easily accessible for customers.